I've been out of my head.
Good morning, breakfast time.
Wow.
We're on the bus.
Oh. It's actually an hour and 30-minute ride, so bye-bye Mount Fuji.
What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since
We are going to Kyoto today. My break.
There's a slight problem with this one.
So Matthew's gonna carry it for me. Wow.
We're on a bullet train, the fastest one.
It's gonna
We're on the one that stops for 1 minute only.
Wow, it's so spacious.
I know, this is like business class in an airplane. I'm chilling here. I ain't even got a tray.
Oh, we're going.
Dude, this is not stopping. So safe.
My gosh. We're going so fast. I know.
We're here at the hotel. I think this is we got separated from Matthew, Antpa, and Tito Joel because we're 5 people. So they sent us to a, I don't even know what it's called, a Japanese style house, but it is a hotel. It's connected to the hotel. It's like a 5-minute walk from the original hotel. Let me give a room tour. So this is where you first walk in. Trash can. Here's the little kitchen area. I don't really know what to call this part of the house, but it's like the eating area. There's so much towels, which is really good. Oh wow, look at all those toothbrushes. Yeah, this is the bathroom. You can also do laundry here. Here's the shower area. Here's at the eyes. It's scary climbing up these stairs. And then here's our sleeping area. Hello, Mom and Dad.
Japanese style.
Japanese style sleeping quarters. Futon. I don't know if we set this up right, so just forgive us for not knowing. We're gonna go eat dinner. 11 is live.
Look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before.
Mini fire truck.
I said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it.
Loki wanna try McDonald's. Right, me too.
But you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, 'cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time, and can it home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give all you take.
This is eel, scallop. This is salmon.
Patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was
Saki yan, Dre. Saki. Try natin. Meron dun eh. Ayun, may bagong screen.
Oh, this is what the Fanta looks like here.
Iba ba itsura sa inyo?
Yeah.
Walang design.
Oh, okay. And it's grape. I've never heard of a grape flavor.
Mami ba? Masarap.
Trying Pocky.
I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back.
When I put to 100 yen, pero I only have change 50 cents. Ayaw tanggapin. When I push this, naglabas ng apat na 100 yen. Oh, that's why I got it! That's why I keep pushing it in.
Maybe other ones. Go.
I didn't want to. You should push this. Sorry. Kasi,
Your water.
you're so lucky. I know the first one I got this guy.
In the shade, dance at a corner just to get space, 'cause I wouldn't believe that.
Trying Fanta, the melon flavor.
It's actually really good.
Hi, so I'm gonna give you guys a haul. Got Jake.
First day na.
Oh my god, Japan, by the way. Got this guy. I got this guy, and I was like, I don't want it. Did another one. I got Koyama. And then at 7-Eleven, I got Hiii wafer that comes with the photo card. I got a blue log wafer. That's it. We're probably gonna go back tomorrow.
Good morning from Kyoto.
Hi at the ice.
It's so quiet. It's currently 6 a.m. This is a school. This is where we're staying in Kyoto.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to you that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
I'm sweating and at the ice is cold. It's not cold, it's chilly. The air is cool.
I mean, out there, like,
I'm
really
like
dying right now.
sweating already.
Yeah.
I have sweat stains already.
Skip to the present and I still haven't released it. But it's okay 'cause the news are better.
Go.
That's what it feels like. Haven't been so happy ever.
Spring edition.
Matcha. Strawberry. And Matthew already finished his vanilla. And it's only 8:49 a.m.
Seems like it's for real this time.
We're walking.
Binalik ko na ba?
Old Kyoto. And there's a school field trip going on today, I think. There's so many people in school uniforms. And there are so many stairs here. I'm sweating. Wow, there are so many people. Look at how many people are here. It's only like 9 a.m., 9:30.
I can't believe that you waited so long. watching you sit there.
This is their hotel room. Trying McDonald's. At the ice got the spicy chicken nuggets. Happy Meal. Dad got a double, big double. Mom got a McChicken. I got a cheeseburger. And we got fries too. I really like the bag, but I don't like the illustrated bag. Look what at the ice bought. Wow! Look, show their seat, show their seat.
Wala pang snacks.
Wow! Sweet. Sweet. Ben, what did you get? What did you get?
I got an egg.
You got an egg.
It's my egg now.
It's an egg. Just a literal egg.
Oh, it's a little egg.
I'm
I got
sorry.
an egg inside of an egg.
How do you feel about that?
I'm gonna prank Cleo with this. Dum dum dum
I want to sit down. Hello. We're up here. There's practically no one here, which is so nice.
We're just lucky. I'm excited to give you guys a haul later. This is what she got at the gachapons. She doesn't like it.
I wanted mochi.
Tapos she got
Character with the least screen time.
Oh, that's who it is.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat dinner.
How are we pretty here?
Well, the lanterns. Here's our dinner. This is eel, and this is shrimp. A bunch of sushi. Wow, is this eel?
Yes.
I didn't think I would like eel, but I'm liking it.
See? That's what I'm saying.
These are the two things I like the most out of yesterday. The cooked eel.
Wait for everybody. Go eat back. Not you. I haven't eaten yet. I don't know who did that. Me. Nice, nice.
We're back home. I'm gonna show you guys my haul. I got this cat plushie from one of the temples. Got this Nanami pin. It's perfect because my other pin broke, so this is for my friend. I got her a My Melody like little figurine. Hey, I got the same one that at the ice got, but I got this one. It's the kind of like acrylic keychain. I got Nagi from Little Rock. I got this Izuki, yeah, little figurine. Nagi again, same one as this one. This Mofu-san cat, it's so cute. Red panda, yeah. So that's all for my gachapons. And I got this Tokyo Revengers like keychain. I got this Lloyd Forager keychain for my cousin. I got this Gojo Satoru like little box figurine. I got this Kokoni figurine from Tokyo Revengers. It was really cheap because normally in the US it's $20. Got this keychain of Gojo and Gero. Toji acrylic stand. Ate got me these two Sanrio keychains. This one's for me, this one's for my friend. That's my haul. Gonna do a haul of what I bought today. Inosuke charm from, actually I don't know where it's from. I got it for Kuya. And then I got this little this is Aaron for Atisha. I got a gacha because just because at the ice knows. It's cute. You want to do a haul, Mom? No. Okay. I got this little trinket. There you go. To remember our trip in Kyoto. And then I got this Winnie the Pooh keychain for at the step. This hair stick, vitamin C serum. This to help with strawberry skin that I have here. And that's my haul. Good morning.
If I could tell you, I don't think you'd believe how long I've
balance. Balance.
Where are we going? Where are we going next?
Train station.
Okay, we're going to the train station right now. Hello.
I think we're going to the Golden Temple.
Okay, we're going to the Golden Temple. But we're going to the train station first.
I wish I could stall, but I never call. And you're going all the way this year.
What is that?
I have no clue. It looked good.
Strawberry milk. This tastes so good. The rock garden. A few, I think, months ago, I said the rock. Dun, 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 dun. But that opening is for John Cena. Wow, look at that. That's so pretty.
I'd hope that you could see all the possibilities. There could be
We're at a garden
We're
of
at a
rocks.
rock garden. We had to take our shoes off. This is the first place that they've asked us to take off our shoes. I was expecting more of it, to be honest.
when you call my name, and I don't know what you see. Hope we feel the same. I feel 100 degrees when you call my name, and I don't know what you see. Hope we feel the same.
So we didn't really like our lunch today, but it's okay.
Malilipat sa kabila yan, tama
Wait, show the vlog.
Hup! 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 Hup!
Mom figured it out.
Pinakita ko na kasi kay Mami dati.
Nice.
Oh.
Would see